Students, we will see the last topic of our course, that is the problematic soils under the different agro ecosystems. Agroclimatic region is the land unit in terms of the major climate superimposed on the length of growing period or moisture availability. Agroclimatic region is the land unit in terms of the major climate of that land, which is superimposed on the length of the growing period. That is said to be the agroclimatic region. While agroecological zone is the land unit carved out of the agroclimatic region, superimposed on the landform, which act as a modifier to climate and length of the growing period. Agroclimatic region is the land unit in terms of the major climate and superimposed on the length of the growing period. While agroecological zone is the land unit carved out of the agroclimatic region, superimposed on the landform, which will act as a modifier to the climate, length of the growing period. The area estimates of the degraded and wastelands in the different agroecological regions or AERs revealed that agroecological region 4 is highly degraded with area coverage of 14,960,000 hectares. The other agroecological regions having appreciably high area coverage are AR2, AR5, AR10, AR12, AR17. Though the AERs are affected, but the least affected are the AER1 and AER20. Whatever the agroecological regions of the degraded and wastelands in the different areas found that the agroecological region 4 is highly degraded, while least affected region is the agroecological region 1 and the agroecological region 20. Water erosion class 1 and 2 has affected almost all the agroecological regions. As we know, the water erosion, it is due to the rainfall. Intensity and length of the rainfall will decide the water erosion, and this water erosion has affected almost all areas, agroecological regions. The agroecological regions with large affected are the AR 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 14 and 66, while least affected agroecological regions are the AR 1, 17 and 20. Soil acidity has been observed in the ARs except AR 1, 2, 3 and 20. In all other agroecological regions, it is observed the soil acidity. Highly affected areas, agroecological regions by soil acidity are AR 11, 12, 15 and 17. Salinity affected class 7 to 12 agroecological regions are located in the semi-arid and semi-humid climate zones of the country. Whatever the salinity affected agroecological regions, these are located in the semi-arid as well as semi-humid climatic zones of the India. Highest area coverage with salinity found in the agroecological region second, followed by AR4 and AR18. If we see the water erosion affected, it has affected almost all the agroecological regions. Highly affected ARs are the AR4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 14 and 66. And least affected ARs are the AR1, 17 and AR20. Soil acidity also observed in the AER except AR1, 2, 3 and 20, it is observed in all the agroecological regions. Highly affected agroecological regions by soil acidity are AR 11, 12, 15 and 17. While salinity affected agroecological regions are located in the semi-arid and some humid climatic zones of the country, the highest area coverage with salinity found in the agroecological region second, followed by the AR4 and AR18. Sodicity and salinity are observed in the combination in some of the ARs. Notable among the agroecological region second, fourth, sixth and 18, it is observed the sodicity as well as the salinity. Agroclimatic conditions coupled with the management practices are the main reasons for the development of the soil sodicity. Whatever the agroclimatic conditions, along with the management practices followed in that soil, these are responsible for the development of the soil sodicity. Highest sodicity is observed in the AR4, followed by AR9, 6, 12. While this sodicity problem is not found in AR1, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 19 and 20. Sodicity is developed due to the agroclimatic conditions as well as the management practices which are followed in that soil. Particularly, it is observed in the AR2, 4, 6 and 18. Highest sodicity observed in the AR4 followed by AR9, 6, 2. While not problem of the sodicity in AR1, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 19 and 20. Wind erosion is predominant particularly in the agroecological region second and has little affected area in the AR4. Similarly, as like water erosion, wind erosion is predominant in the AR second and least affected area occurs in the AR4. Then we will see the classes. Exclusively water erosion under the open forest. Second one is the forest. Third one is the exclusively acid soils which are having the pH less than 5.5. Acid soils under the water erosion and acid soils under the open forest. Then exclusively wind erosion, exclusively saline soils, eroded saline soils, acid saline soils under wind erosion, saline soils under open forest, waterlogged saline soils, exclusively sodic soils, eroded sodic soils under the wind erosion, sodic soils under the open forest. Eroded sodic soils under the open forest, mining and industrial waste, waterlogged area which is permanent. If we see the classes, there are about 19 classes, among which the first class is the exclusively water erosion less than 10 tons per year per hectare. Water erosion under the open forest and forest. Then third, fourth and fifth class are related with the acid soils as exclusively acid soils under the water erosion and acid soils under the open forest. Sixth class is related with the exclusively wind erosion, while class 7 to 12 are related with the saline soils as exclusively saline soils, eroded saline soils, acid saline soils under the wind erosion, saline soils under the open forest and waterlogged saline soils. Then sodic soils classes are from 13 to 17 as exclusively sodic soils, eroded sodic soils under the wind erosion, sodic soils under the open forest, eroded sodic soils under the open forest, mining and industrial waste, and last class is the waterlogged area, which is the permanent waterlog. On this topic, we may be asked what is meant by agroclimatic regions and agroecological zones. This is all about regarding this topic. This is all about regarding our this course. All these subjective type of the questions are shared along with these lectures. Whatever the MCQ type of the questions, I will share with the in the form of the PDF file to you. You go all through these videos. If you have any problem, you can ask any time by messaging, or you can call direct. This is all about regarding our course SSSC 242 problematic soils and their management. Thank you.